Alright, so I got my totaled truck here. Insurance totaled it out. Just went to the junkyard, picked up the parts for it. You can see it's all totaled out. Hit a post, but hit the post there. I don't know if I cracked this pipe or the radiator, but at the junkyard I got a radiator for it. But let's see, the new parts came off of 2011. This is a 16, but I think everything will match up. But I got my headlight and stuff in here. I got door panel, a fender, a hood, back door. I got a grill. Let's see. I got this bumper, came with OC LED lights. So it's black instead of chrome. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we'll find out. But we got the parts. Shouldn't take too long to put on. Take all these panels off. I didn't get a new bed yet. I'm looking at beds. Kinda want a flat bed. And then probably gonna have to take a body shop to get that pillow fixed. But right now, I'm gonna get these doors off. Hood, fender, grill, radiator, headlights. Get it all taken care of. We got the new daily here, replacing everything. The front end, it's a 2010 Dodge Charger. But that's new daily because I crashed my truck while we work on the truck in the Malibu. Working on taking parts off right now. I've only got the grill off. I gotta go take all these bolts off of here. I want to check out my radiator. I got a new one. I don't know if it's just a clamp loose, pipe busted, hose loose, but it's leaking. So we'll look at that. Gotta get my bumper off. That's gonna be next. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. There's my old grill. The new grill I got, I actually looked it up, and brand new, it's like $970. But the emblem, like, that's pretty big, but the one on the new grill is a lot bigger than that emblem. But we'll go ahead and start taking the rest of it off. Alright, bumper is off. Just a heads up, before you take it off, I'd suggest getting all them pop rivets out. I made that mistake. But let's see, I think I'm gonna move to this fender. I'm gonna go ahead and get that off. Alright, now we got the fender off. It's a pain in the dick, but we got it. It's all this foam that makes it suck. There's a bolt there. That's kind of hard to see when you're taking it off, and inside there. So, but we got it off. That's all the body panels on the front. Gotta replace the radiator. Then we got the doors. So we'll get the doors put on. I took off, then put on. After that, we'll be set. Start putting new stuff back on. We got one door off. Colton taking this one off. Got the doors off. We're about to put the new doors on. We'll see how they mount up. I think they should be the same. It's 11, this is a 16, but I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Right over there's an 11.
Is respect. Ha! Gay!
The door put on. What's odd is the 2011 doors are much heavier than the 2016. I got this, came with a busted ass mirror, so we're gonna have to get some new mirrors. But we're getting it put on there. The wiring, the plugs isn't the same, so we're gonna go to that door and pull it all off that door and put it on this one. Oh God. We got the doors on. We have an issue. The wiring harnesses are completely different, so we popped out this wiring harness. But the window motors are actually different too. Those window motors are much smaller. And then this one's a lot bigger, and the plugs are completely different. So we gotta pop out these window motors, tape this up so it don't fall. Back door, thought it was safe, but it only has one plug in, and then mine has two because in that door panel I have a speaker, and the speaker plugs in up there. So we just gotta swap the wiring harnesses and it should be good, and then the motors, and we'll be set. Well, we got everything put back on it. Here it is. I think the black bumper looks pretty cool. I don't know if I like this style better or what it looked like before. Let me guys know what you think. But we gotta go to Walmart around 3 because I'm getting new tires put on. And I'll take it through the car wash. And that'll be the end of the video. I'm just waking. Well, I haven't even went to bed yet. I've been working night shift, so I'm gonna go sleep for a few hours and then take this thing to Walmart. Alright. Just got back from getting the tires put on. But yeah. The truck turned out pretty good actually. I kinda like the way the black bumper looks with the new grill. Still gotta get some stuff done. These are crosswinds. I had them on my Dodge. They're a cheaper tire, not super cheap, but they're cheaper than a lot of them, and they did really good on the Dodge. So I put them on this truck. Here's the totaled side, got the new fender on and everything. The doors. I need to get the mirror and new rain guards and just some little stuff like that. But I think it turned out really good. I'm happy with it. I still need to get a bed. I want to do a flat bed, but I'm looking on Marketplace right now for one. So we'll see. But let me get a few pictures, and that's the video. I appreciate you guys for watching.